This homesteading video is going to show how Dennis built a worm farm from an old bathtub. This bathtub is the one that we took out of our bathroom upstairs when we started the renovations. The first thing he needs to do is build a frame for it to sit on. Aw, shucks, not long enough. These metal braces need to be ground off. They're just going to get in the way of the support frame. Attaching all four pieces of the rectangular frame that will eventually hold up the tub. Next, he measures, cuts, and attaches all four legs. Next few pieces will add some bracing. Follow the rock with some feed sacks that actually still let the water drain through. Some grass clippings, compost. You heard the man. Pig poop. And some of our topsoil.
Already some worms in the dirt, so
The worms are
not
actually.
gonna water any. Some more.
The drain that's on the bottom of the tub has been extended out using this white pipe and leads to this bucket. This bucket will fill up with water as the soil gets moistened and drains through the layers of feed sacks and rocks. When it comes out, it'll be nutrient rich. There will also be a storm door that's put on top to keep critters out and to keep excessive rain from just washing through and depleting the soil. Once this was washed over with water and now it's draining into this bucket, it's been cycled through a couple different times. We will feed them with our kitchen scraps, but nothing that contains any sort of meat. These are beans from a can that was left behind from the previous owner. The food will get laid on top, the worms will eat them, and produce castings that we can use for our soil next year.